Okay, next we're going to talk about granting patents and copyrights. That's number 6. I made the screen a little bit wider here because we're going to jump to another page. So this page that I just took you to is from the United States Department for Patents, Trademarks, and other types of service marks and copyrights. So what's a patent? Some of you might have heard of this before, but if you're an inventor and you come up with a new idea that's turned into an invention, you have the legal right to secure a patent for it through the United States Patent and Trademark Office. As you can see here, it usually lasts about 20 years, but it basically gives you the right to own the patent, meaning the ability to produce this thing and to make the financial gains from the production of it. Somebody else can't manufacture the same exact thing that you had come up with the idea for, and it protects you so that you get the ownership rights, which deals mostly with hopefully the ability to sell it and make money off of it. So you have utility patents, design patents, plant patents they got there. Trademark is another thing that you can create. A trademark is a word, a name, a symbol, or a device that's used in a trade with goods to indicate the source of the goods and distinguish them from other ones. So things like the Nike swoosh symbols, these would fall into like trademarks. Service marks are used more for when the thing represents a service that's provided instead of a product. So sneakers like the Nike swoosh would be a trademark. The service mark would be something else, maybe like the Amazon symbol, where there's a service provided for you but not necessarily a product that they manufacture. Copyrights protect your intellectual creations, dealing more with literature, drama, music, artistic, all types of intellectual works, both published and unpublished. But you think of this more in the print of books and novels and music and artwork and things of that nature. That's what the copyright's for. If you've ever looked at that little C that's at the start of most textbooks and things like that, copywritten in the year that it's passed, that shows when you created it, you got your copyright for it, so that you have the intellectual ownership rights to it. So these things protect us as inventors and creators within the United States. The United States government oversees this. This would be kind of messy for all the states to issue their own copyrights and patents and trademarks. So this is something that the federal government deals with exclusively.